Joseph, I'm bored. What do you want to do?
I don't know, dude, but I'm kind of hungry.
You want to eat Play-Doh?
Oh, yeah, dude. Pass me a cup.
What flavor do you want? I got chocolate, strawberry, blueberry, blackberry, and privilege.
Oh, give me a cup of that privilege. I've been dying for some white privilege.
Okay, I'll get you the privilege. Here you go. There it is. And I think I'm going to get blackberry.
Oh, you know what they say. Once you go black, you never go back.
Why do they say that? Oh, that's Cody. Come on.
Oh, okay.
So, Joseph, how's that Play-Doh?
Oh, dude, it's delicious. I already feel like I can get pulled over by the cops without getting shot.
Yeah, that's what's so great about it. All right.
Hey, dude, I think I'm going to try the strawberry Play-Doh next.
Oh, you should do it. That's my second favorite.
Oh, okay.